Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing that Maharashtra government launches a scheme for startups. So the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has launched a scheme to boost the startup ecosystem in Maharashtra. Apart from that, the government has also proposed to set up an international standards center for the skill development in Mumbai. Further, to boost the skill development courses in RTIs are also being updated in a timely manner. Recently, the state was ranked second in the India Innovation Index that was released by the Niti Aayog. Now let's discuss about the scheme. See, the scheme has been launched with the aim of providing the financial assistance to the innovative startups in a bid to file for IT patents. Now, under the first phase of the scheme, around 125 to 150 startups will be supported with the financial help of rupees 2 lakh to rupees 10 lakh. And the startups will also be provided with the financial assistance up to rupees 2 lakh for the quality testing and certification for the startups ideas. Now let's discuss about India Innovation Index 2020. See, the think tank of government Niti Aayog recently released the second edition of India Innovation Index 2020, and its first edition was launched in 2019. The index demonstrates the continued commitment of the government in transforming the country into the innovation-driven economy. Now, the index seeks to create an extensive framework for evaluation of the innovation environment across the 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Further, Karnataka topped with a score of 42.5 for the second year running, and in the index, four southern states, namely Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Kerala, have occupied the top positions on the index, while the state of Maharashtra have been ranked second. Now, what is the significance of the index? See, the index helps in studying the innovation ecosystem of Indian states and union territories. The index is prepared with the aim of creating a holistic tool that can be used by policymakers in a bid to identify the challenges that are required to be addressed.